welcome you all. We are Varna from Sirumugai, Coimbatore, exactly 50 kilometers from Coimbatore. The location is given in the description box below. Today we are going to see pure soft silk sarees, handloom woven, silk mark certified sarees priced at rupees 5500 rupees only. The sarees shown in this video are all double warp sarees. The first saree shown in this video is a radiant color combination with yellow and navy blue pallu, which has silver zari throughout the pallu and golden zari puttas, in which silver zari meena work is done. It has a contrast plain navy blue blouse. The puttas are all throughout the saree. It has tissue borders on both the ends. All these sarees shown in this video are priced at rupees 5500 only, which is double warp. The double warp is a high quality premium saree in which we can do the hard works of RA embroidery, Jardosi works and all. This saree is a combination of blue and pink pallu, blue color throughout the body and pink pallu, contrast pink blouse with tissue borders on both the sides. This saree is a red and blue combination, navy blue combination with tissue borders on both the sides. Silver zari in the pallu and combination of silver and golden zari puttas in the body with a minor meena work in between, a contrast meena work in between. For the golden putta there is a silver meena work, and for silver work it's golden meena work has been done. These sarees are all priced at rupees 5500 only on an offer basis. This is another combination of peach and navy blue, which is a double shade. Peach is a double, which has tissue borders on both the sides. A contrast blouse in royal blue with tissue borders on the end. This saree has also two different color puttas. This is another combination of same design with different color, a royal blue and pink pallu, which has silver zari puttas throughout the saree and golden zari works in the pallu. So to place the orders, you could take the screenshot of the saree and send it to our WhatsApp number given in the box. So on uploading the video by 11 AM every day, the same sarees will be uploaded in the WhatsApp groups. You could order by sharing the saree code also. This is another saree with pink and royal blue with white zari work in the pallu and golden puttas in the body with meena work in the silver zari. A contrast navy blue blouse. This is another saree with royal blue and pink combination, an alternative combination to the previous saree, in which the body was in pink and pallu was in royal blue. This is like body is in royal blue and pink pallu with golden zari works. A silver putta throughout the body with tissue borders on both the sides. So the length of the saree is 6.2 meters and 45 inches with double warp. Pricing at rupees 5500. This is another combination of bottle green and magenta. Bottle green throughout the body and magenta color in the pallu, which has two different alternative puttas with gold and silver zari works, tissue borders on both the sides, and attractive contrast magenta blouse. The saree shown now is an elegant combination of royal blue and pink combination with golden and silver zari works in the pallu. Also silver zari puttas throughout the sari, tissue borders on both the sides. These saris shown in this video are priced at rupees 5,500 only, which are all double warp saris. These are all pure soft silk, handloom woven, silk mark certified saris. This sari is a combination of pink and royal blue combination. Pink color in the body and royal blue in the pallu, which has silver zari in the pallu, and putta works with alternative gold and silver zari meena works throughout the body. It has a contrast royal blue blouse. The payment modes to order the saris available with us are cash on delivery, Paytm, Google Pay, account pay. So if you need the sari to be delivered quickly, you could go with prepaying option. The delivery may be in 2 days time. If you go for COD option, as we are providing COD through Indian Postal, it may take a week time to deliver the sari. This is another combination of radiant green and magenta combination with tissue borders on both the ends, golden zari works throughout the pallu, and floretic designs in the body with silver color meena works in between the puttas, a contrast plain blouse. So on uploading the videos and photos to the WhatsApp group and YouTube, you could text us for the orders. Kindly avoid calling for the orders. It may disturb the systemized updates on the systems. So avoid calling for an hour. So all the messages will be replied on a priority basis. This is another combination of green and red color combination with tissue borders on both the sides. Another combination of copper sulphate sari with purple pallu, golden zari throughout the sari, tissue borders on both the ends, floretic puttas throughout the body with golden and silver zari works, a plain contrast blouse with the tissue borders on sides. The saris which we are showing in the video are exclusively only for online shopping. When you approach us in person for the saris, it may not be available as it might sold out in the online orders itself. This is another combination of navy blue and pink combination. Navy blue for the body and navy blue pink color for the pallu, a contrast plain blouse, tissue borders on both the ends, golden zari puttas throughout the body. This is a radiant green sari with contrast purple pallu with golden zari works and golden zari puttas with the silver color meena works, a contrast plain blouse in purple. To get the continuous updates on varieties and collection of our saris, subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon. This is another sari with pink and ocean blue combination. Pink color throughout the body and ocean blue color pallu with golden and silver zari works with tissue borders on both the ends and contrast plain blouse. These sarees are priced at rupees 5,500 only. To order for the sarees, you could go with cash on delivery or else prepaying options such as Paytm, Google Pay, Account Pay, etc. If you need the saree at the earliest, you could go with prepaying option and order, as COD may take a week time as we are sending it through India Postal. There are free shippings available throughout India, and for overseas the price may vary according to the country and based on the weight of the sarees. The sarees are all double warped, silk mark certified, pure soft silk handloom woven sarees. Thank you for watching.